So today the topic of our storytelling session is Alone with Freddy. Marshall didn't have any job to earn money. One day when he was crossing the road, a man saw him and his saddened face. The man came forward and asked him that why he was so sad. Marshall told him everything. The man offered him $100 weekly to do a night job at Freddy's Pizza restaurant, but also told Marshall about the risk as well. What is the risk? Marshall asked. There are robots, namely Freddy the bear, Chicky the duck, and the rabbit. I forgot to tell you that I am the manager of the Freddy's Pizza. They are robots, but people say they become alive at night mysteriously. Oh, really? Asked Marshall. Yes, but to be honest, I don't believe this. However, last night a guard was seriously injured, but he didn't tell anything what happened with him and the second last one. May he rest in peace, the manager said. So if you agree, your duty will start from tomorrow from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Hope you will join. Okay, I will, said Marshall. The next day, Marshall was there sitting on a guard chair watching the CCTV cameras and eating a donut. Right on 1 a.m., he got a recorded call from the guard who was on duty last night. He told him that he doesn't really remember what happened on that night, but he still remembered that the last moment when he was in his senses, he saw Freddy's big bloody face jumping on him. The call ended and Marshall realized that he had made a mistake. He was alone with Freddy. At 2 am, Freddy was not there in his room, but the other two robots were there. Marshall forgot. He had to use generator's power carefully as there wasn't much fuel in it. There were two doors for entrance and exit in the security room. It was 4 am and generator's fuel ended. Marshall thought of his family, his children, and his peaceful life. Just then, Freddy was there. His eyes were glowing and he had a terrible bloody smile on his robotic face. Marshall did not want that this movement to become painful for him, so he closed his eyes. Then Freddy came closer and jumped on him. Next day, when the manager got the news, he was in shock again. He gave a lot of money to Marshall's family and decided never to hire any guard for next duty in his restaurant. Thank you.